Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find 8 Easter eggs and open Easter cave and visit it. So visit it just added a special Easter event, and you can unlock a new secret area called Easter cave by collecting 8 Easter eggs in order. And here's all 8 egg locations. First egg, just go to the Fisherman Island, this one. And then next, just go to the food shops. And then you will find this egg, the first egg. Just grab the egg like this. And then after that, just go to the Kohana Island. And then for the second location is over here, this one. Just grab the egg like this. And then for the third locations, is still on the Kohana Island over here in front of Kohana Island and behind this tree like this. And for the fourth egg, just go to the James Rod shop and then just go to this area, this one, at this dark box like this. And then for the fifth egg, over here behind the fish merchant, this one. Like this. And then for the sixth egg, just go to this one, just grab the egg. And then for the seventh egg, let's go to the Easter Island. For the seventh location is over here in front of the shops and then near the red egg, this one. Just grab the egg. And then for the last location, is over here at the carrot field like this, and like this for the eight locations. And after collecting all eggs in order, just go to the mosaic door area and place all the eggs there, and then the door will open to the Easter cave. And okay, that's all how to collect 8 eggs, 8 Easter eggs and visit it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.